Alright, first thing you want to do is remove the magazine. Alright. Then you're going to make sure that the weapon is safe and clear. Alright, rotate that weapon so that the barrel is facing up. Press down on that recoil spring plug. Remove it. Alright, then you're going to remove that slide stop. Line up those notches and the slide and the notch on the slide stop. Take out the slide stop. Alright, then you're going to separate the slide from the receiver. Remove that recoil spring and that recoil spring guide from the slide. Take that barrel bushing off. Set that to the side. Remove your barrel from the slide. And then this is as far as we're gonna go. You got your slide, your barrel bushing, recoil spring guide, receiver, slide stop, and recoil spring plug and a magazine. To reassemble, you're gonna go back in reverse. Place the barrel inside of the slide from the front to the rear. Replace the barrel bushing. Alright. Replace that recoil spring and that recoil spring guide into the slide. Make sure that curved part of the recoil spring guide is facing the barrel. And the barrel link, go ahead and expose the hole on the barrel link. Replace the receiver, the slide onto the receiver, or matching those grooves up. Alright, you gotta watch that that barrel link, because you want those holes, the hole in the barrel link and the hole on the receiver to match up. Alright, so it's now not really matched up, so go ahead and make sure that it's matched up. Alright, there you go. Replace the slide onto the receiver. Make sure that that hole in that barrel link and the hole on the receiver are matched up. Go ahead and replace the slide stop. Alright, that last groove on the slide and that groove on the receiver need to match up with the notch on the slide stop. Alright. Make sure it matches up. I use this screwdriver just to press in that detent to make it easier for that slide stop to go in. Okay, once it's in, you're gonna replace that recoil spring guide plug, the recoil spring plug, and then you're gonna rotate that barrel bushing over that recoil spring plug. All right, that's about it. Thank you for watching.